Hello there, I'm attorney Kelly Longtin from Kelly Longtin Law, and today I want to talk to you about how far in advance can you begin your estate planning. Well, you can create your estate plan at any time, but many people choose to begin the process sooner rather than later. Why, you might ask? Because you just never know when life-changing medical or financial emergencies can strike that will require someone else to step in and manage your affairs during your lifetime for you. When to start planning for your estate depends on your goals and the size and complexity of your estate. If your estate involves business interests, multiple properties, significant investments, or complex family dynamics, then creating a comprehensive plan may require just a little bit more time and effort. While there's no specific age requirement to create an estate plan, at a minimum, you should create financial and medical powers of attorney when you legally become an adult. Once you accumulate some money and property, you should create a more comprehensive estate plan. Many young adults start families and have minor children who rely on them for support, which could require a guardianship being established for the children should something happen to both parents. Consequently, when you have minor children, you need to create a plan. So let's talk about what your concerns are. Estate planning can prepare you for medical emergencies such as accidents and illness that could leave you temporarily or permanently incapacitated and unable to speak for yourself. Advanced healthcare directives, including living wills and medical powers of attorney, should ideally be established while you're still in good health to ensure that your wishes for care and treatment are known. You may also consider various aspects of your life and your money and your property that hold significance for you and your beneficiaries. These considerations can go beyond financial resources and encompass your broader legacy and personal values, and they should be a part of your estate plan. Now, you can create a family mission statement to help guide future generations towards a goal that is meaningful to you, such as environmental responsibility or giving back to the community through faith or philanthropy. You can also set conditions that reward specific behaviors, such as building a productive career or business, or maintaining health and wellness, or expanding financial literacy. You can contribute to a 529 plan or directly to education institutions to highlight the importance of a quality education for children and grandchildren and great-grandchildren. If one beneficiary does not use the funds, it can often be passed to another. Now, you can start a foundation or limited liability company to provide direction and purpose for family wealth. You want to encourage certain family members to fill roles within the organization that they may enjoy or that match their natural talents. Now, there's many ways to preserve your legacy and values while ensuring the success of future generations. When significant changes happen to you or your family, they become reasons to create an estate plan or update an existing one. Your estate plan is just a set of documents, not a one and done task to cross off your list and a list of things to do. So that living set of documents changes periodically. And there's a few events that require contacting your estate planning attorney to review this. Could be marriage or divorce, maybe a birth or an adoption of a child or a grandchild, death of a spouse or a child. If you purchase or sell any significant property or investments, perhaps you're starting a business or otherwise you receive a big inheritance from a loved one. So depending on your current stage in life, you may be able to create an estate plan to suit your situation that may only require several essential documents. When planning at a younger age, your plan may include just a few documents, such as a will and medical and financial powers of attorney. Ultimately, your plan will evolve to include many more details that require careful consideration throughout your lifetime and may require establishment of additional documents, such as advance directives for end-of-life care and the use of a trust to protect your hard-earned money and allow you to take advantage of more advanced planning strategies. Each decision you make during the estate planning process will significantly impact your money and your property and your loved ones and the future distribution of your wealth. That is why estate plans should be routinely reviewed to ensure that they continue to align with your goals, are relevant to your current situation, and keep up with the legal and financial landscape. Now, your stage of life could determine the timing and urgency of your decisions. Certain events may also create an urgency to plan. If you're expecting a child, you may want to establish guardianship arrangements through your will or a separate document. Designate a trustee to manage accounts and property on your child's behalf, and create a plan to provide for their education and upbringing. If you're getting ready to close on a new vacation home, you may wish to consider how the property fits into your broader estate plan and legacy. If your grandparent or other family member has failing health and recently shared documents with you that name you as a beneficiary of their considerable estate, you can begin to align anticipated funds with your overall financial goals. If you're an entrepreneur or business owner ready for retirement, you can outline a succession plan, identify key individuals who will take over your business, and establish strategies to ensure the continuity and success of your business. Now, whether you are prompted by impeding life changes or taking a proactive approach, understanding your current situation is crucial for crafting an estate plan that's going to meet your needs. Now, here's a question. Is it possible to plan too far in advance? Well, truth be told, there is a balance. Estate planning documents such as wills and trusts should be clear and concise to avoid confusion and disputes. Planning too far in advance might lead to numerous ifs and conditional clauses that can complicate or confuse your intentions. The more complex your situation becomes, the greater the potential for misunderstandings among your beneficiaries and those responsible for executing your wishes. Life is inherently unpredictable, and your financial situation, family structure, and personal goals may change rapidly and frequently. Many foundational estate planning documents, such as wills and revocable living trusts, can be amended or revoked during your lifetime. Planning specific details too far in advance might result in more frequent revisions and unnecessary costs. Now, estate planning is an ongoing process. While there's no specific time frame for creating your estate plan, starting early and periodically reviewing your plan is highly recommended. Focus on what is important today, knowing that your estate plan is flexible and adaptable to any future changes. Doing this will ensure that your plan will always reflect your values, provide for your loved ones, and secure your legacy. So any experienced estate planning attorney can guide you through the process of developing a plan that suits your unique circumstances and your goals. I want to thank you for watching. I'm attorney Kelly Longtin from Kelly Longtin Law. Please like and subscribe our page below if you want to stay up to date on estate planning and the options you have in order to provide for your family.